Hello guys, welcome to PTK. We are going to discuss about more of operators, logical and membership. There are three operators in logical. They are logical and, logical or, and logical not. Let's use them. I get the two where x equals 96 and y equals 45. So we can use logical and if conditions. Let me show you. So I kept else condition 2. So it's or. Or means we can use logical, we use or and we use logic to. We can use two conditions at a time. So this is x is greater than 43, x is greater than 123. Or means if 1 is 2 or all the condition is true, it comes true. See, this is false, right? But how it printed this? Because it's but if I keep this 432, it comes false. So we all use or. And let me cut it and let me tell you how to use and instead. So let me say you how it is going to be. So it kept and. For and, both conditions have to be true. If one is false, so no, both are true. So, but if I change to 3, it comes false because it's not like or, it's and. So both conditions have to be true. So we use and. Now, let me use it. Let me cut this and not. It's a logical with Boolean. So if I keep two variables, they are a equals true and b equals false. So, but if you want to know it, true and false are Booleans. To know that, we use type. You know that, right? At last sessions, I used it. Keep typing, keep parenting. I want to know A and B. So if I keep A, let's see what does it come. Comes class Boolean. So it comes class Boolean. When I execute it, see it comes class Boolean. So now even, let me keep it as B. When I keep it as B, class Boolean as same. So let you know that true, and now you know that true and false is Boolean. So I were using and or. Let's see. First, let me use them too. So if I execute it, it can A and B is false because B is false. So both conditions have to be true. So it came false. So let me uncomment it and let me use or. It came true because one should have to be true. So we use it. So let me change this B into true. And let me take the comment and see what has happened. Is B is true. So we use and like this. Now let me change it back as false and comment it. Now not. Let's see what does it come. It comes false. Because true, it comes actually the opposite. But if I keep X, it comes false. No, let me keep X here. Then let's see. Not X is false because when I kept C equal to, and if I so and if I kept B, if I keep B, it comes not B is true because it comes the opposite. So the opposite of false, true. So we use not in these such cases. So now let me cut these all and let's use membership operator. Membership operators stand for membership in the sequence. They are such as strings, lists, or tuples. So they are in and not in. First, let me write a list. So I'm going to keep a list named fruits and the elements are apple, cherry, and melon. So if I want to check if apple is there in fruits, we use if condition. Let me show you. If I keep in, we have to do if apple in fruit. See, we use an membership operator. Is it in or not? Out. If I keep apple is there in fruit, but if I keep pear, let's see what does it come. It will print nothing. See, it prints nothing because it's not there. So let me cut it and use not in. So see, if pear not in a fruit, think what does it come? Does it come nothing or prints this? If you guessed it right, it comes this. Because not is used as a membership operator. Is it not in? So we use not in so that we can say any element in tuples or strings or lists, it's not there. Now this is the end of a session. If you like a video, please press the like button and press the subscribe button. For now, bye bye.